Hey everybody, this is Blast Monkeys Part 22! Whoa! 22! Isn't that crazy, y'all? There we go. Just what I wanted to happen. I wanted to get 440 one time, and I actually got it finally. I can't believe it's already February 2nd, 2026. Like, wow, that's crazy. Only one more week until the Super Bowl, yo! Between the Seahawks and the Patriots! Man. The halftime show is going to be epic, too, with Bad Bunny and Green Day. Hell yeah. Yeah, the halftime show is going to be awesome. I cannot believe it. The fact that we're gonna have Super Bowl 60 is crazy, yo. I remember when Super Bowl 50 used to be the new thing. Now it's Super Bowl 60. Whoa! Isn't that crazy? Yes, the last part of this will be part 25. So just 3 more parts to go. Whoa. Isn't that crazy indeed? Come on. There you go. Yeah, we're getting closer to 2030 than 2020. Like, wow, that's crazy, though. Now I wonder who's going to be at the Super Bowl 61. Well, I know it's not going to be the Raiders, obviously. I'm predicting Super Bowl 61 is going to be between the Chiefs and the Green Bay Packers. The Green Bay Packers. I don't know. I just feel like the Green Bay Packers and the Chiefs would probably be at Super Bowl 61. And what about 62? I honestly don't know. Wow, I'm doing very good, even though I only have 1 life left. The fact that I made it all the way over here with just 1 life is crazy, yo. Let's hope I can make it to 3,000. Yes. And I did make it to 3,000, yo. Whoa. Didn't quite time my record, but I got very close. Ah, well. And also, tomorrow I'm gonna have this thing called... Okay, so this is from the Albertsons brand, but it's called Signature Select Pizza. I like their cheese and pepperoni ones. Yeah, I'm gonna have a pepperoni one tomorrow, and then on the 4th I'm gonna have a Signature Select Cheese Pizza. Hell yeah. I also like to get 7-Eleven pizza too. 7-Eleven pizza's good. Heh 420. Yeah, and actually I'm wrong. Turns out the maximum duration of a video I'm ever gonna make is actually 5 hours, not 3. I'll probably make a 4-hour video in this month, and then a 5-hour one in March. Speaking of March, there's also when the last part of this series is gonna be made. Whoa, isn't that crazy though? But what about Geometry Dash? I'll make the next part of it in this month too. So yeah, for this year, I'm probably gonna make 6 parts. Yeah, I mean six Geometry Dash videos. Cause why not, yo? Yeah, why not, yo? I dodged like a boss. Hell yeah. Woo! 10 minutes into a video! Whoa! Isn't that crazy, yo? 10 minutes into a video! Yeah. Yeah, I'm recording this... Yeah. I'm recording this February 1st, but I'll be uploading it February 2nd. That's why I said earlier. Can you believe it's February 2nd? Yeah. I was playing Minecraft Hardcore earlier, but, yeah. And yes, I'm very excited that Kendrick Lamar won another Grammy. Like, good for him. Yeah. Kendrick Lamar and Travis Scott, to me, are my favorite modern rap artists. Yep, Kendrick Lamar and Travis Scott are my favorite modern rap artists. Because I said so. Well, I hope you enjoy. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Yo. That's right, yo. So yeah, don't forget, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And the next video will be Blast Monkeys Part 23. Well, actually, no. The first... I don't know. The next video will actually be the Minecraft video that I usually do during the beginning of every month. Then will be part 23. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.